Professor Kolomaznik, Czech Republic. Now, we have a symposium honoring him on recycling of organic and inorganic materials. He is 82 years old and still working every day. I visited them in August 2021. I was the first visit after COVID. And in October and September last year, I guess. So, I know it was the first visit after COVID. It was actually very hard to get to travel. It was in August 2021, and I went to the university. Nobody was keeping masks. So the first time I removed the mask, and I was shaking hands with everybody. August 2021. So it was the university without masks, and I didn't get any COVID, by the way. That's true?
Yes, it's true.
So, how you feel?
Yes, I'm very surprised, and I would like to thank all of us, because just now, that is the outstanding scientist. It's historical, yes, because my success is that I study a lot of articles, a lot of authors. They dealt with the problem which I solved. My success, it is all my great success is success, all of us. All of us, you are my perfect colleagues. And for this, I'm thank you, my maybe friend, maybe
sure,
my friend.
I do not
and
know.
You
Well, a good friend actually, because. Can you have a bottle of wine from the winery we had together? Sorry. So this is your name. He sent us to the oldest winery in Czech Republic. It was how many years old? How many years old? 200? Yeah, so it's in the 18th century. We went inside. Congratulations. Give me your hand. That's our standard for the record, lawyer's record. Good. Congratulations, young man. Thank you. So, and how it looks life of Professor Kolomaznik, at the age of 6, with younger brother. Secondary School of Chemistry in Zlin. At university, passion for sports. With his late wife during wedding. With his colleagues. And he's still working every day, by the way. 82 years old now. And as the best, this I like. This is, this is a real scientist. You see? Where it was that? I didn't have time to ask. And that's another one. In the reactor. He mainly deals with his, colleague Barinova. Michaela is here also, accompanying him. Where is Michaela? Yeah. So, this is the group, by the way. This is the group, and all are here. All are here at this meeting. And with me. Wine, I mentioned wine, I didn't know this, he's chosen this. So in 2000, this year, yeah. I've been twice there. The first one, August 2021, and this year.